What is Binance Smart Chain? The informative guide for beginners. Binance Chain is home to the always well-known Binance token, is a stage made to support quick exchanging through decentralized applications. Structured presentation showing Bitcoin exchange time in minutes of the different blockchain stages. Bitcoin Cash has the longest exchange time, which requires around 150 minutes or 2.5 hours. Having said that, all of this has pushed the door wide open for businesses, and this is why more and more businesses are looking for a top blockchain development company for the cryptocurrency-related development requirements. The beginning of Binance Smart Chain Network. The Binance Smart Chain was presented in September 2020, however, its parent was accessible as of now. The two can be marginally confounding at first as a result of their fundamentally the same names. Binance is accessible in the US across 43 states at the hour of composing, with different states during the time spent thinking about whether or not to embrace it. Just Connecticut, Hawaii, New York, Texas, Vermont, Idaho, and Louisiana don't have Binance yet. The most effective method to use the Binance Smart Chain extension. Similar to MetaMask and Trust Wallet, Binance Chain Extension Wallet is a crypto wallet uniquely for BNB and BSC. Conclusion. Binance Smart Chain is moderately new and has been generally famous in the crypto local area due to the endless advantages it offers, also the steady upgrades being executed on it. Also, any top mobile app development company in the USA can help you with the Binance Smart Chain utilization.